say that I really feel like home. I've got very similar furniture. They are from the IKEA. I really love the floor. It is really cool. Then we've got the view, which is not impressive, but not too bad. This is the smallest bedroom I even saw. Oh, the TV here. Nice, nice, nice. Outfit, really spring, but I'm not sure if it will be okay for the long walks today. I love this kitchen. Nice color. Everything looks really nice and clean. Oh, we've got some coffee, tea, some stuff that I will need. There is nothing. Then we have fridge, of course empty. What is it? Oh, coffee and some chocolate. Really nice. Okay, time to find a garage. I'm looking for H10. Okay, I think I found it. H10. Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I just would like to tell you that we've got a beautiful spring day. It is so beautiful. Sun, it is really warm and it is like a little bit windy, but it is so nice, very nice. I just love it. I can't wait for the flowers everywhere, and I'm by the little lake and I can see here so many red fishes. I will show you them. Can you see there how many fishes is here? They're quite big. I don't know what kind of the fish it is. I don't wanna... Oh my god, beautiful! I think they feel warm too, that's why they are really high. Really cool. Hello, my outfit today, it is a Gucci bag and Gucci scarf, just to match. Khazar boots, that they are my favorite spring knee-high boots with a very high heel but very comfy to walk. I can walk in them like really long distance. And this is a real leather brown pencil skirt from Ochnik, which I love too. And now will be cars, so it'll be a little bit loud. This is what I done today to my boots, but I'm alright. I've got a few more in my car, so I have to change it, but I hope that I can fix it. Of course not me, the cobbler specialist, but anyway, oh my god, looks so bad.